Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you guys enjoy my videos. So today we're going to be tackling the Ford Ranger T6. This vehicle was in a collision. The brakes failed, so actually there was new brakes installed in the vehicle, but was done incorrectly and the brakes failed, causing the vehicle to not be able to stop. As you can see, there was quite a lot of damage. The crash bars, the cradle, the chassis leg was also bent, the bumpers, the grille, the right fender or wing, as they call it, was bent. The left hand chassis leg was bent as well. So it was quite a lot of work. The bonnet was also bent. As you can see, the bumper slides. A lot of stuff on the vehicle was quite severely damaged. And this I had to repair in basically 24 hours. As the company needed the car back in 2 days, so I set the target to be able to repair it in 24 hours. This basically included pulling everything straight, fixing all the damage, getting the replacement parts ordered and fitted and painted, all within a 24-hour period. So it's not whenever I have time, I counted 24 hours. I had 2 days. The vehicle came to me within 2 days. It had to be gone. So there is still a few small things that had to be done on the vehicle, like the dashboard, passenger airbag, driver airbag. But yeah, as you can see here, I did correct the chassis leg that was bent. I put a pipe in the corner of the chassis and use a thick rope, and I just pulled it out. I did try different methods by attaching ratchet straps basically to one pole on the one side and another one to the other side, but they keep on breaking as the force was quite a lot and the chassis arms are quite strong, and I decided not to heat it up due to not wanting to do more damage and burn other things underneath the vehicle. But at the end of the day, it was successful. As you can see, like a bit of triangulation going on there. So I did manage to fix that. Did manage to pull out the cradle. The cradle was also badly damaged, but it is a well done part. And like I said, I had to do it quick. I couldn't get the cradle, so all these dents and stuff I did get it a little bit better than it is. I just do not have all the footage of it. It was a bit of a rush job. But yeah, the cradle was also repaired. The crash bar in front of the bumper was also repaired. I could also not find that part in the time that I had. But yeah, as you can see, there we've basically test fitted everything, making sure it fits properly. The wing was painted. I did also replace that. New intercoolers, new radiators, new condensers. Quite a lot of stuff that we had to replace on this. But yeah, it didn't come out that bad. I had to repair the bonnet or the hood. As you can see, the bumper has been primed there. The bonnet still had a bit of filler on it, so I was still busy prepping it. This is when everything was done. The bonnet and the bumper was primed, ready for paint. And as you can see in the next clip, the vehicle was basically done. Still needs a bit of work, but at the end of the day, got it done within the 24 hours. So I hope you guys like my videos. If you do, please like, please subscribe. I do appreciate it, and enjoy your night.